Hey home chefs, you will never need any delivery pizza again once you learn how to make the best homemade pepperoni pizza. It's a step-by-step guide I have now at Sip Bite Go, and you can make it using a pizza stone or a baking sheet. So let me just show you how to do it in less than 30 minutes. All right, so the first thing that you do is you stretch the pizza dough. There's a lot of tutorials at Sip Bite Go to do this, but I like to use pinching around the outside, then using my knuckles underneath, and I keep pulling and adding a little bit more flour here and there so it retains the larger shape. And then it's time to add the pizza dough directly to a pizza stone. You want to add a little olive oil to the bottom of the pizza stone before you add the dough, and the pizza stone had already been preheating in the oven and was hot. So then it's time to add the toppings. So for this classic cheese and pepperoni pizza, I use mozzarella cheese, pepperoni slices, Parmesan cheese, and that all went on together. And you can find a homemade pizza sauce recipe at sipbitegO.com, or you can find a delicious white sauce like an Alfredo style pizza sauce recipe there too. So anyways, that all goes on, and a little Parmesan cheese goes on top, and then it gets baked in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is all nice and bubbly and the bottom is a golden brown crust. Oh wow, it is so delicious. I think you're going to really love making this cheese and pepperoni pizza, either on a pizza stone or get directions for making it on a baking sheet at Sip Bite Go. You can also make it a healthier pepperoni pizza by using turkey pepperoni, and you could use either mild or spicy pepperoni slices. It's really easy to throw together for a weeknight dinner for a family. All right, so we turned it into a classic pepperoni pizza Italian style with some fresh Parmesan and basil at the end. Well, you can print out the recipe for this at Sip Bite Go. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. If you learned something new, give this video a like. Cheers!